Hello YouTube, this is our second video of Halo Reach trying to shoot the mine. This is with the rocket launcher, as we said. Fish for penguins, we'll go into the teleporter
I'll demonstrate that for you now. I'll go and see
he'll do this
and I'll try and shoot that.
He'll try and shoot that, so let's go. Attempt number 1. Oh, he did it! First time.
Should we do a Spartan laser then while we're at it?
Yeah, we might as well do. Okay, we're gonna now.
No, mounted machine gun.
We're gonna do a mounted machine gun.
Oops, sorry, wrong gun.
Attach it. That's it. Okay, so now we're gonna do a mounted machine gun, as the first one was like first time. So off we go.
It's quite hard for this. I tried it before. Oh, I forgot the mine hasn't respawned yet.
Oh yeah, the mine hasn't respawned.
I'll just wait for it to respawn.
Won't take long.
Take about. No, there we go. It's respawned.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, it only takes about 15 to 20 seconds to respawn.
Oh. Okay, this is attempt 3.
You can't really move this that well, so it's quite hard.
Attempt number 5.
Yes, let's just say 5.
Oh.
Oh, hit the water holder.
Okay, attempt 6. Oh, try and go left. Turn left instead. Oh, that was a bit bad. Okay, keep going right. We won't count that as an attempt. Okay.
I wish it to fail.
This is a fail. Yeah, we did it. Okay, thank you for watching.
Next one will be an assault rifle.
Yep, assault rifle. Next one. Look out for it. Goodbye.